tell us, why did you become an estate planning attorney, and why did you decide to take this route into law versus another route into law? And just tell us a little bit about who you are and your practice.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm classically trained in undergrad at Wofford College with a double major in biology and environmental science with focus on botany. I was taking some environmental law classes, and I really liked them. It was a new way of thinking on the science side versus the legal side of things, and I just really kind of got bit by the bug. So I took the LSAT, made a great score, got into University of South Carolina School of Law, transferred, and then started my legal career with that. Now I'm the first attorney in my family. I have some distant in-laws who are attorneys, but really I had no idea what it was like being an attorney till I went to law school. And through that, I took an estate planning course. But really what really drew me to estate planning was a personal experience where a family member of mine suffered a stroke and was unable to handle their affairs. And they were a very important person in the family. A lot of going on in the portfolio and their assets. A lot of people were kind of depending on what would be done with that. And thank goodness they had great estate attorneys out of Charlotte, North Carolina, come down and have all the paperwork ready, assisted the family and get everything set up. A lot of forward thinking. And I and a lot of my family owe a great deal to that. And when I got out of law school, I had friends that were becoming family law attorneys, defense attorneys, transaction attorneys, and none of that seemed to float my boat. But thought back to those estate attorneys that helped my family and said, you know what, that's the kind of attorney I'd like to be. I'd like to be one where I truly feel like my job is simply to help someone who has what they have and get it to the people they want or their loved ones the best way possible.
And tell us a little bit about your firm. You are partner.
So I'm partner at Rutledge and Coxe. Tom Rutledge is the founding partner, still there. Tom is a long-time attorney and trust officer. He served at some very major organizations. So we are a two-man firm. We're a boutique firm. All we do is estate planning, wills, trust, probate, legal documents. And we administer trusts. That's our niche. Not a lot of attorneys or law firms administer trusts or act as trustees and executors, but we do that for clients. We've got a lot of experience doing that.